What's your go-to sales tactic for closing deals? In a day, it's gotten nearly 200 votes, but only 2 likes, 2 comments, but almost 6,000 impressions. So I can't stress to you guys enough. It's not focusing on the vanity metrics, right? We're not focusing on the likes and the comments because, as Nancy alluded to, you may see someone's post and they may have very little engagement, but LinkedIn may have shown that to so many people that you don't even know. So outside looking in, it doesn't seem like something that would go viral or it would equate to a virality type of post because it only had 20 likes and not 200 and like 7 or 8 comments and not 300 comments. But it was shown to 55,000 people because Nancy alluded to this. There are more passive engagers on LinkedIn than there are active engagers, which means LinkedIn knows the most important metric that they can share with the content creator is the amount of times that that post was shared to their LinkedIn network. So just to let you guys know, for all intents purposes, those 2 poll examples that I just mentioned are viral posts. The fact that they got over, almost 12,000 in one and almost 6,000 in another, that is a viral type of post.